I'm going to show you how to use Canvas in Google Docs. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is prepare your Google Docs file or your document. And after you've done so like this, you just need to look for the top left corner where you can see the option for a file right here. Just go ahead and tap here. Once you're here, you can see multiple options like new, open, make a copy, share, email, and many more. You just need to go to share, which is right here, and right next to it you can find options like share with others and publish to web. Just go ahead and tap on this option. After you're here, you can see the option link and embed. Just go ahead and tap on embed and you can find this link right here. Just go ahead and copy this and go back. After you've done so, you just need to open your Canvas and make sure you have opened your course. So after you're at this page, you can see at the left corner you have options like home, announcements, assignments, grades, people, and pages. You can see it right here. Just go ahead and tap there. After you're here on pages, you just need to tap on this add button. If you already want to embed the link in a different file or a file you already have, then you can just tap on edit. But I'm going to show you in a new page. So after you're here, over here you have options like edit, view, insert, and format, also tools and tables. Just need to look at view right here. After you're here, you have options like full screen, exit full screen, and HTML editor. Just go ahead and tap on this option, and now you need to paste the link. There you go. Scroll down and now tap on this option save. Make sure you type in a page title too, and after you've done so, you can find all the details of your Google Docs right here on Canvas. So this is how you would be able to use both Canvas and Google Docs together. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.